Videoing?
Put your game face on, girl. If you want to growl, growl. Just get over those jitters. Look at me. That was nothing, right?
Little kick.
Little kick, but it scared the crap out of you. That's all it did, huh?
Jumped back.
So what do you think for all those other kids that are scared to shoot a .243 for the first time?
I'll say it's kind of scary in the beginning. Then once you just pull that trigger, you actually feel happy with yourself.
Because you're done with it, relieved,
Yeah.
and it doesn't hurt, right? It just scared you at first. Good deal. Thumbs up, big girl.
Second shot.
Keep your head down. You weren't holding it too much. You weren't leaning into it. You were letting it push you back. You all right though, right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All good?
Yep.
Thumbs up? All right. Can you see your shot? Woo! Is that a dead deer?
It's like right above the right triangle.
Let's see if
It's
this
on the
thing
right
will look
side.
through the scope. See your target. Take the safety off.
I'm aiming at the bottom right.
Okay. Remember, lean into it. Grab it like you're mad at it. That was such a great shot. I can't wait till you see this one on camera.
It's next to the black triangle.
It's next to the black triangle?
Next to,
You want to do another one?
yeah. The what?
All right. We think we have our rifle sighted in. And now we're going to try a 100-yard steel silhouette. Ready when you are, girl. My favorite part is hearing the report when it goes dong. So go ahead and lock your bolt down. All right. Safety off when you're ready. Lean into it nice and solid. Aim for the neck or center mass. I think you got him in the head or the shoulder.
I was aiming towards the middle neck.
All right, I want you to aim for his center mass next time.
I was aiming for the middle of the chest. It's hard to get the neck.
I can't see where you got.
Let's see if I can.
All right, open it up. Harder, hit it. There you go, back. There you go. All right, roll the rifle to its side a little bit. A little more. There you go, all the way forward. All the way down. Oh, safety. Ooh. All right, go ahead and aim. All right, now I want you to try to hit him in the chest.
I was aiming for the chest.
All right, try to get him in the belly. Like as middle center as you can. Safety. Got your safety. There you go. All right. Got him again, right? That was his left shoulder, our right side. You want to, all right, you got what? One more left.
Make it count.
That's 3 for 3.
Oh my God.
Hit it. Hit it. Harder. There you go. Now back. There you go. Roll it over. Slide it nice and easy. There you go. Safety. Yep. All right. Try to find your target. Once you see it, pop your safety.
Where do you want me to aim this time?
Aim for his belly. This time here, I want you to take a big breath and let half of it out nice and slow. As soon as you get halfway through letting your breath out, squeeze the trigger nice and easy.
All right.
Oh, little high to the right. Oh no, it's shaking. You grazed him.
What does that mean?
You nicked it. Because I see the target, it's swaying back and forth. You must have just grazed him. So go ahead and open that round up, slap it up. Grab a hold of it.
Yep.
I'll hold the rifle, go ahead. There you go. All right.